Just in understanding some basic concepts of how our islands came to be, when they came to be, and using the past to better understand the future.
Form our islands, or create your own. Sea level rise rates, shoreline changes, sand input rates. If we stabilize wallops more and it traps sediment, what does it do? If we stabilize it doesn't, what does that do? A fishing point.
One of my primary objectives is to connect the good research being done here on the seaside of our eastern shore, which is one of the most studied places on the planet, making sure that all that information gets to the community leaders, the land management organizations, gets to all the stakeholders, because historically there's been a disconnect, and so it's a primary focus of ours to get this kind of information in the hands of the folks who will use it the most.